There's never a good time for hiccups. You could be falling to your death from a skyscraper, you get the hiccups, I bet you'd still be pissed. Ah! Shit, really? Hiccups? I'm never gonna be more scared than this. Hate when people try to scare the hiccups out of you. That's an asshole move. Don't do that. You get the hiccups? Well, boo! Thanks, fucker. Now I gotta change my shorts and I have hiccups? We all know that's never worked in the history of man. But everybody has a remedy, right? Everybody has a... Mention hiccups in a crowded room. You gotta stand on your head. You drink yogurt upside down from a golden goblet. Bob's gonna hit you in the face with a shovel, and I'm gonna slam your dick in the door. I'm gonna go with the hiccups, actually. Thanks.